Trade.
Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 16 from this light and stable platform for trade Bousdt.org. If you want to recharge or withdraw, go to the mine everyone. After you go to the mine, like we see, you can recharge from here and withdraw from here. And invite your friends from here to earn commission team. If you want to recharge, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet. After you send the money to this address, click this. The money will arrive in 1 minute to your account. Like we see, minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT everyone. I'll explain how to trade in this platform. Click this, like we see. In this platform, there is two groups for 5-minute signals and 1-minute signals everyone. I trade every day in 1-minute signals everyone. There is 3 groups for BTC 5-minute signals and 1-minute signals, and there is Ethereum groups for 1-minute signals and 5-minute signals. I will put links these groups in the description of the video everyone to join in. Today I will trade in 1 minute, but before that I will go to recharge and copy this address and go to my wallet and recharge. Like we see everyone, this is my TRX in the wallet. I will click send and put the address link there, and I will recharge 5 TRX. Send. Next. Confirm. After I send the money to the platform, waiting to show me Trust Wallet sent, like that. After that, I will click to fresh plans and go to my account and update the page. And click recharge again and click this. Confirm. In 1 minute will arrive to my account if you're watching me. Like we see everyone, the money arrived to my account. After that I will go to trade. After I go trade, I be sure choose 1 minute. After I choose 1 minute, I go to the group. This group Bousdt special signals. Link this group in the description of the video. Like we see, I put single after 11 minutes. See the time here. I will waiting and trade everyone, waiting me. Like we see, it is the time. Now I will go to the platform and click buy. I'm waiting this time to finish. Like we see, I will click buy and choose single, but I will trade for 1 minute 40 RX first. Confirm trade. Waiting this time to finish. Like we see, I win and my amount increasing. In this group, there is no more 5 losses everyone. Like we see, it is win. Like we see, it is win and win. In this, like we see, in this group, there is no more 5 losses. Win after 4 losses. There win from first time. There win from first time. There win after 1 losing. There win from first time. There win from after 1 losing. There win from first time. See everyone, yesterday 10 win every hour with no losing. Now I will go to my account in the platform. go to mine from here and click withdraw. I will put my address wallet ERC20 there and the amount I will withdraw it and click withdraw within it. After I put my address wallet ERC20 there and the amount I will click withdraw now. Confirm. Withdraw successful, everyone. I will go to withdraw now and go to my withdraw record from here. See everyone, this is all my withdraw from this slide and stable platform for a trade. After write successful, the money will arrive in 1 second to my wallet. Looking here. Like we see, it's successful and the money will arrive in 1 second to my wallet. Everyone, watch that. The money arrived to my wallet, everyone. I will go to my trust wallet and show you. See everyone, see the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second will arrive to your wallet after write successful. Don't forget, subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms for trade, and you will see link register and link groups for signals in the description of the video, everyone. Deposit and start trade with me, everyone. And if you want to learn how to trade, message me. I put my account in Telegram in the description of the video. Good luck, everyone.